The man condemned to death. Prayer, bo odori ope, mase jowosi. Diafan Orúnmìlà. Offering, ebo, agbo, akuko, eyele, wenetijera, eku, ela, awado, awo. The story. Orúnmìlà arrived in a land, and the first person he performed divination for was a humble peasant couple who lived in deep sadness, constantly praying to Olorun for a child. Orúnmìlà told them that they would indeed have a son, but he would only remain on earth for 20 years. The child was born, and as he grew, the parents' anxiety increased. The mother returned to Orúnmìlà for another divination, and he recommended that she always bless her son with joy, never with sorrow. Orúnmìlà also performed a sacrifice and advised them to ensure that the boy always carried a pair of scissors in his pocket. The young man, sensing that his final day was near, left home on the eve of his 20th birthday. He lay down under a tree, waiting for death. As he lay there, he saw a rope descending from the sky and wrapping around his neck. In that moment, he remembered the scissors and used them to cut the rope. He slept soundly, and the next morning, he woke up safe and alive. He returned home, where he found his parents and fiancé dressed in mourning. Seeing him alive, everyone rejoiced, giving thanks to Orúnmìlà